Learn English through simple doing phrases. I am cooking dinner. I am hoovering. I am putting shopping in the fridge. I am making my bed. I am washing the dishes. I am mopping the floor. I am washing my clothes. I am washing my face. I am drying my hair. I am brushing my teeth. I am eating my lunch. I am hanging out my washing. I am relaxing. I am working. I am going to bed. I am walking. I am riding my bike. I am driving. I am running. I am playing golf. I am swimming. I am at the gym. Please like and subscribe for more.